How to add variants on Shopify. So if you are selling products like in different sizes, colors or materials or even styles, like if you have the same product but you have the different size, colors or any different variants. So what Shopify allows is that you can create like product variants so customers can easily choose the option they want before making a purchase. So it will help you do that rather than you individually adding each one of the item or the variant specifically. For example, let's say like you have a lipstick, you're selling a lipstick and you have like 5 or 6 colors of it. So instead of you entering like 5 or 6 times of that product individually, one by one, you can like add variants to it. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. In this guide you will learn like how you can add those variants to a Shopify product and how the product option works and how you can manage the inventory and stuff. So it will help you to manage your products and associated variants, and it will help you to set up everything correctly. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is firstly go to your Shopify store, log into your account. So once you're on your Shopify admin dashboard like this one here, okay, so when you're here now, what we're going to do is on your left side menu here, you have a product section. So click on the product section here. So click on the product section and this will take you to the products page here. And here you will see all your products and everything here. So I don't really have any products added, so it's just there. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to go and add your product. So firstly, click on add product and you'll get to this product page here. So now I'm going to add a product. So let's say it's a lipstick. Okay, so I'm going to add a lipstick or whatever product that you want, just add it and give a description. So you can just give your own specific description, but in this video I will just use this AI one to generate one. So just make this easier. Okay, so just do that, and once you are done with your description, everything, and do that, and once that's done, here if you scroll down, you will see the media file here where you can like upload the photo of your product. So for example, in this lipstick, I'm going to click on this upload option here and then just add maybe one here. I got just add this. Okay, so that's the lipstick. I'm going to add it, so we'll just upload that. Now once that's done, so scroll down and here you can add the price for it. It's fine, you can just do that. You can give a price for this product, so you can just do that, and then scroll down. If you have inventory and everything, you can do that. You can just enter those, if you have a SKU number or anything, just like how you normally do for other products, you can just add that. And shipping package, you can do this, or you can just skip that for now and come back to it later. That's fine. But what we are more interested here is this one here, variants. So this is where you add the variants. So you can add like options like size, color and all those things. So click on add options here. Okay, so then add a variant. So you can see there's some recommended variants that you can add, or you can have like a custom one. So for example, the most common one I would say like a color. I have different colors of the same product, so select color. So click on color, and then once you click on color here, the first one is let's say I have black. Okay, so for the black one, let's say like I can't really have a black lipstick, but I'll just just for purpose I'll do that. And then the color, I have black, and then I can like if I don't want it, I can just click on delete to delete it. But now what I can do is I can add another one. So click on add color, and then here add a new color. So for example, I have a black and I have a brown, so let's just select brown. I'm going to select brown, and then if you have more, then you can do that too. So just do that. So I have brown, and if you have like this is just a sample, so if you have, depending on your product, if you have more options, you can just add it. And if you see, every time you add a color which is like a variant, you will see under the variant option it's a different field being created for it. Okay, so for example, I added 2 colors here, black and brown, and there's 2 variants here. So for each one I can add the photo. So if I click on this image icon here, I can add an image for the black one. So I can just select that, or you can just hit on add and select the image for that, hit on done. And then the same thing for the brown one. If I want to add an image for the brown one, I will select the image option here and then just add the files for a brown one. So we'll just use this just for, okay, so I will use that. As you can see, I have the pictures now. Okay, so I will use this, hit on done. And as you can see, I have like images for the two variants here. The same thing for the price. If it's the same price, that's fine. But if you're like your different color has a different price, then you can add that. And the available, like how much you have it on stock, you can add it here. So you can just do that. So for example, here I will just put 10, and this one, probably the brown one, is 15, like different. And I have available like around 20 pieces left, and this one probably like 15 pieces. Sometimes you can just put, it's the inventory. Okay, so you can just add that, and then once that's done, here you can scroll all the way down, and these are the meta fields that you use to, like, you know, for search and all those things. That's fine. And scroll down, and once you're done with adding all your variants, all you have to do is hit on the save option here. So click on the save option in order to save these variants and products details that you just entered. So do that, and then you can save it. All right, so I've saved it now. And so if you want to like see how like see a demo of how it's going to look like on your website, you can simply go to your products page here. Okay, and then you can see that you have your product here, so you can select the product that you want to see. Okay, so just click that and then click on the online store here to view the online option, so how it's going to look like on your store. So you can do that. Likewise, if you have more products to add, you can simply like if you're adding a new product, you can hit on add product, or if you already have a product and you just want to add a variant, simply select it, and then you can simply edit it. You can simply edit it and add more variants to it, like how we just did today. So like here, you can just add more options or more colors. Let's say if you have like a more, if you have an other than color, you also have a size, then you can click on this add another option and then hit on probably like, you know, material, size, or anything. If it's not mentioned here, you can click on create custom option, and then you can select what is it. For example, like size, you know, you can add it. So likewise, you can add whatever variants you have, however you have, you can just add that. And basically that's how you can add variants on Shopify, and it's pretty much, it's easier and quicker rather than you individually adding variants to it. So just a few tips is that keep the option names like pretty simple and easy to understand, and also double check pricing and the inventory amount when you, every time when you add for every variant. And also the images, like for each variant, try to include images for each variant to make, you know, so that will be much better for when people browse for the product. And that's basically pretty much this. Hope the video helps.